This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by testing your chosen solvent on an inconspicuous spot to avoid damage. That's critical. Next, lift an accessible sticker corner with your fingernail or a plastic scraper. Do not force it. Once you have a corner, apply a small amount of oil or adhesive remover along the edge so the residue begins to loosen. Make sure to work in a ventilated area and keep a microfiber cloth handy to wipe as you go so you prevent redepositing sticky bits. Now concentrate on dissolving the adhesive. Apply rubbing alcohol, oil, or a commercial remover and wait 1 to 3 minutes so it penetrates the residue. You should then scrape gently at a low angle with a plastic scraper to lift softened bits. This minimizes scratches. Once done with a pass, wipe the area with a microfiber cloth to remove loosened glue so you can see remaining spots. If residue persists, repeat apply and wait cycles rather than increasing force. Patience prevents damage. Finish by washing the surface with warm, soapy water to remove oils and solvent traces. Rinse and dry thoroughly so you avoid streaks. For stubborn residue, make a paste of baking soda or use a non-gel toothpaste and rub gently. These abrasives lift remaining bits without harsh chemicals. Once clean, inspect for dullness. If the finish looks off, use a small amount of polish designed for the material. If things go wrong, stop. Test a different solvent in a hidden spot and proceed cautiously.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.